Have you ever been in a situation where someone made fun of you, took your stuff, or was mean to you? What do? Get angry? Fight back? Or could you choose kindness instead? Let's learn from someone who showed the world what true patience and generosity look like. Imam Hassan, the beloved grandson of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Imam Hassan was known as the Karim of Ahlulbayt, the most generous one. Imagine this: you save your allowance to buy a new video game, but instead, you give that money to someone who doesn't even have food. That's how Imam Hassan lived, always putting others first. Think about school. Maybe your friend forgot lunch. Imam Hassan would be the one to share his sandwich even if he was hungry too. Generosity isn't just about money. It's about caring for people, sharing time, and spreading kindness. Once someone was very rude to Imam Hassan in public. Instead of shouting back, Imam Hassan smiled, treated him with respect. The man was so amazed, he became a better person. Now imagine, someone posts a mean comment on your TikTok or Instagram. Instead of fighting back online, what if you responded with kindness, or just let it go? That's Imam Hassan's way. Imam Hassan also taught us something powerful. Sometimes real strength is choosing peace, not war. When conflict arose, he chose peace to protect lives. In our world today, that means solving fights with dialogue, not fists. At home, Imam Hassan was gentle, respectful, and caring. He loved his family deeply. That means helping your parents with chores, being kind to siblings, and respecting elders. That's being like Imam Hassan every day. So next time you're at school, online, or at home, remember Imam Hassan. Be generous and be patient. Forgive quickly and choose peace. That's how you bring light into the world.